Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you our Evident Battery Device Hub software. To start, double click it, and then you'll get a notice explaining how to set up your sensor in your computer. There's two main ways: either connect both the sensor and your computer to the same Wi-Fi network, or turn the sensor on in AP mode and then connect the computer directly to that sensor. Once you click OK, the software will open up, and you can see I have two sensors here that have been auto-discovered. To use one of them, I can go ahead and click it, and in the sensor settings, this is how you can change the automation. Let's go ahead and collect 5 seconds, and I'll set an interval of 1 second, and we'll collect 5 runs. So you can have it stop either never, after 5 runs, or at a specific time. Let's change the sample rate and the accelerometer range. Next, I can choose a folder to use. And if you want to upload it to evbdata.com, you can click this button. But first, make sure that you have sufficient capacity to store all of the files that get uploaded. I'll turn this off for now. Next, you can either click this button to run this sensor, or you can click Apply to All Sensors, and now the settings have been applied across. So these are copies now. Next, you can click Start All here, or individually. I'll go ahead and start this sensor. So now the sensor is recording, and each one that gets downloaded will show here, and then there's a timer for the countdown between collections. Now you can see it's done. And if you scroll down, you can see that there's been 5 collections, and they're all successful. We can go ahead and see the 5 collections that have been recorded. And if you scroll down, you'll see 5 seconds of data. Some other settings here are discovery, where you can go to manual mode and type in the name of the sensor or the IP address directly. You can also blink the specific sensor so that you can identify which sensor it is on your desk, let's say. And then in the bottom here, there's a log of every action that's happened. The next tab is the AI monitoring tab. This allows you to use your sensor as an advanced AI monitoring sensor for machine equipment. In order to use this, you'll have to create an account at evbdata.com. So once you create an account, you'll want to go to Profile Settings and copy your license key. Once you do that, you can choose your sensor and enter the key in and click Check. If you see a green check here, you're all set and ready to go. Now, if you choose a sensor that you don't have linked to your account, you get an X. So make sure that you have added your sensor to your account. Then you can change the save location. This saves where the data and metadata get saved to. So we can just save it here. And in the Learn settings, you can keep this untouched. And then in Monitor settings, you can change how often the sensor collects data to monitor it and when you stop. I'll go ahead and click Start New Program. And now the sensor is recording and learning the machine. Once it's done, it switches into monitoring mode, and now it will continuously monitor your machine. To view the data, you can go to evbdata.com to the AI monitoring tab, and you'll be able to see the results.